What's going on, everyone? Hootmoney here with another video for you guys today. Today we're going to be giving the second MULN short squeeze update from today because there has been a very large move since my last video. So I'm sure some people will be appreciating an update. We'll try to keep it short, sweet, to the point in this video. Focus on all the good and juicy stuff. Hit that like button if you guys haven't already. Subscribe to the channel if y'all are new. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. All right, so earlier today we were talking about how this stock was overbought, but how absolutely none of my indicators are showing that the stock will pull back. Well, it's up 7% on the day from being up 40% on the day, so it's not really a crash per se, but it is pulling back intraday. So I'll give you guys this update. Weekly chart, obviously still looking the exact same, still looking good there. Same thing with the daily. There's nothing to update you guys with this. Where it starts to get juicy is the 4-hour chart. The 4-hour chart is showing a red dot here on Market Cipher, which we weren't getting in the past. So Market Cipher prints the red dot when this yellow crosses over into the negative. So for example, right here, it printed that red dot. There were a few situations on MULN where it was going to do that. The first was right here in March 18th. As you guys can see, it was getting ready to cross over. It did not do that. Same thing right here. It was getting ready to cross right over, and it did not do that. It came right back up. It was staying absolutely parabolic. Now we finally got that VWAP crossover right here on the current 4-hour chart. So how much can this potentially retrace? We can go off of the last few times that we got the red dot. The last one was not too much. It retraced about 16%, like 14% right there, right? Not too crazy, especially with what we're dealing with. The last one before that went down about 20%, so 22%. And then the first red dot that we have to work with went down the most, down 60% from its high. We also talked about how the hourly chart was showing bearish divergence between this price action and Market Cipher, but the bearish technical signal did not really matter because we jumped right back up at open, remaining overbought, making it incredibly difficult to do technical analysis. Well, now sitting at $3.04, we were right back at that level that we were at in pre-market. Now, I just want to point out how dramatic this selling candle is right here. And if you're weighing out the size of it, we haven't really seen selling candles since back here, when it really sold off like 60%. 30-minute chart is the first chart to give the red X or the short sell signal. Also, the money flow is definitely coming down a little bit there. If we pull up the volume on MULN, as you guys can see, it's definitely very high. So there's nothing at risk here within the volume. Then moving into the 15-minute chart, it's already showing the VWAP starting to point back up. So there could be a nice little rally from the lows. We possibly could be already seeing it right here. We just formed a higher low from the all-time low as of right there, so it could be a potential good move. So now we're looking at the options flow right here. We're looking at bets over $10,000 in premium or more. We're looking at calls, bid and ask side on, and what this shows me is that are more whales or more people that are betting $10,000 of premium or more, are they buying their call options or are they selling their call options? And we're only looking at the last 50 results here, so it only goes back to 1 p.m. right there. So that would only be depicting the price action that we're seeing right in this area, which, as you guys can see by the grayed out EMAs right here, is a downtrend. So keep in mind that these results are likely skewed towards the bid side or the selling of call options because obviously it was a selling candle. So we're looking at the chart right here and you guys can see it's 54% selling, 46% buying. This is almost exactly the same that we've been seeing all day. We'll pull up 250 results right here. Exactly the same thing. It's still 50-50. Also, there were some major sells, over $50,000 in premium of call options today. 67K right here, 116K right here, 52K right here, 66K right here, 64K right here. However, these were all before 12:30 p.m. being the latest right there, which was far before the stock price actually started declining. So overall, you can't ignore the momentum that was just pulled from the stock with the decline from the intraday high that we saw today. However, it does not necessarily mean that the stock's run is over. It's just finally respecting the fact that it is overbought. What I'll be looking for to see signs of a top in MULN is definitely the volume drying out, a 4-hour red X on Market Cipher, and I'd like to see like 60 to 70% of the call volume being selling opposed to buying. Anyways, that's about it for the video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. As always, drop a like if you guys did, subscribe to the channel for more content. Also, I didn't run this ad in the video. I wanted to keep it nice and short and sweet. But if you want up to $7,000 in free stock, as long as you deposit $1 on their platform, you can do so with Moomoo. The link's below in the description or pinned comment section. You also get a free Neo share. So get a free lunch on Hootmoney because Neo goes for about $20 per share. Links are below for that. Also, we're up 75% in the trading account as of today on the past week. So you can check out Hootmoney trade alerts using the first link in the description below. Also, I want to get the Discord server active again. So the third link in the pinned comment section is where you can join the Hootmoney Discord channel. Anyways, my friends, that's about it. I'll be seeing you guys next time.